To celebrate the release of Star Wars Battlefront, I'm going to be building the ultimate gaming PC rig. It's going to be filled to the brim with top-of-the-range, incredibly powerful components, and it's going to give you an amazing gameplay experience. So there you have it, the ultimate gaming PC for Star Wars Battlefront. Now if you click the link below, I'll take you through step by step how I made this machine, as well as some other options if you're not quite aiming to build such a powerful machine. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos, and also let us know in the comments what you think of this machine and if you've managed to build anything more powerful.